time when you would call me up and make me sit through the night and wait for you because you needed it. And I would stick around to comfort you and take your shit. But that all ends now. I think you should take all your stuff now and go away. I am sure you'll find another girl who wants to play all the fucked up games that you have put me through. Boy, that's over now. Try to conceive, I want you to leave. Oh, no, no. No more to say, just go away. Just go away. Can't you see that I got nothing left for you? For all the pain and all the sleepless nights, for all the tears and all the endless fights, for all the cheating and for all the times you used me, fell through, weren't true for you. For all the times that you pissed me off, for all the times you weren't mad enough, for all the times that you dissed me, forgotten me, fell through, weren't true, fuck you. So fuck you. There was a time when just a touch from you would make me hot. I would cry with you and laugh with you and love you, but now I see that it was wrong to put my trust in you.